Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Family Modeler. In this video, we will make this concept Dune Buggy. So let's do it. Let's get to it. Okay, first of all, arrange the reference images. And now I am done with arranging them, and then add a plane with auto mirror on. Yes, auto mirror enables us is a tool that we use to mirror it automatically, and that cuts the object in half and then automatically mirror it to the specific axis we choose. Okay, this is the tool. Now we have to extrude the vertex out and then only a single vertex, and then place them correctly according to the references like that. We have to arrange the reference images first from the side, and then we can arrange it from the front, and it will be a good way to start. And then use the proportionality for better start. Okay, we can then fill it from inside by extruding it inward, and then clipping is automatically on from the mirror modifier, and then yes, it will automatically move to the middle part. Then extrude it from the side, move them correctly. Moving them and placing them is important. Then we line up the vertices correctly. Then we extrude another time, and now arranging vertices is started. First we have to arrange the vertices for better shape. After you're done, we can tweak some vertices around. If you see any problem, then we can move on to the next step. After we extruding and making the basic shape of the main car body, then we can arrange the vertices and make and shape out the detailed part, the details we want in the car. So tweak the vertices and make the mesh. Fill the gap part, then extrude it inward to fill the mesh part. Then fill it one by one. Otherwise, use the second method. Second method, I mean, use this loop right here and then grid fill. Use the pan and offset tool, offset, slider to set the required setting you want. Set the required setting you want. Then click the vertices like that, and then add details to it from front and from the back side as well. And then move them like this and place it correctly. Now our body work is almost done. Use the knife tool for the headlight and then slide them, insert it just little and Alt F it like that. And now duplicate these faces and Alt F or scale them like this, and then merge them by at first, and then we are adding details, so it's easy to make the details from front side for this part like this. And then duplicate the loop and then add details to it as you like. I will do this and then slide it and give it. We have to give it thickness, so we have to set the face orientation from the inside and outside separate. Then set the mesh and keep the topology clean and arrange correctly. Okay, now we have to select the edges and then bevel them and add details from the front. We have to do a little from the side. To select the edge from the side and do the same thing. Extrude it inward. Make the tag as you want. I will make the tag just like this and then add details to it. Details in the tag. Add some thickness, insert it and then extrude it inward. Set the cursor to the point where you want the rotation and then add details to it like this. Move them closer to the side. Now this is a good way to make the tires and tire thread. Like this, add much loop cut and then set the tire thread as you want. Then make it correctly and select the shape as you want. After you are done making the thread, then we can use the mirror modifier for the thread. Then we have to give it some offset to make it big and thick. And then we can use the spin tool to slide it all over the thread. We have to be in the side view, so we will get the thread. Then join it to the tire as one piece. Then automate by this step. Now we have to make the seat part, the inside details. Extrude it inwards and then set it correctly. Like move this loop closer to the dashboard part. Yes. Add details to it as much as you want. And then we can set the vertices and keep the mesh topology clean and nice simple. Simple topology means we don't have to place any extra and further detailed mesh to place and to edit. Clean and less topology means it is a good way, nicer to make things, and then we can add details to it later on. Now make the support and the spring. Yes, we can see that. And then add details to it, make it detailed. And yes, so save your work as you do something and add details to it as it looks good. Okay, after we're done modeling work, open up a new window and then save your work again. We have two textures as a part of the Dune Buggy, the concept Dune Buggy. This is, and now first of all I will select the tire and add a color palette as a material, and then use the color I want. Use the color you want, the flag for the tire base, and for the rest of the tire use the separate color and select the UV. Move it to the color you want, and now duplicate the front tire, move it to the back, and then we're done. Now move to the body, not a car, a Dune body. Okay, now UV it, then we have to select the UV in the UV editor and then place it in the color you want and select the parts you want the separate color, like detailed parts, the headlights, and then another hydraulic part. Use a darker color, it looks good and give a nice detailed look. Okay, and now select some parts, give it as a darker color like that, and now we're done. Select the UV, slide them to the color you want, and now we're done. And for the headlight and backlight, use the UV in the red and white or yellow, any color you want, and then select some detailed part, move the UV to the color you want, and now we're done. After you're done testing it and selecting the part you want, the image texture, the color you want, slide it in the image editor. Like I will use the orange color for this, and then see which color fits you, then choose that color and then save your work again. Then do the same thing and color the same detail in the tile, and then add additional details if you want, then save your work again. Okay guys, this is a quick video of modeling the Dune Buggy. So like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.